Do you ever think that the way people see you is different from the way you see yourself? Have you ever wondered whether or not you were attractive? Many of you might be thinking that no one would ever get attracted to you. But these same looks that you have might be enchanting for someone who sees you for the first time. Our appearances can make or break a person's first impression of us. And research shows that first impressions can have a lasting effect on our relationship with the other person. In today's video, we're sharing with you 16 subtle signs you're more attractive than you think. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Media YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future videos. And comment down below "I subscribed" so we can welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. You're willing to help others. Many people, even strangers, go out of their way to help or alleviate their troubles. Whatever the situation, have you ever noticed that others take the opportunity to help you with a problem you have? This may be because you are an attractive person, perhaps in terms of personality, as well as people are more likely to help you. We tend to be unknowingly friendly and generous to those we find attractive. You have a kind heart and are always willing to lend a hand to someone who needs it. You are open-minded and not afraid to find out what other people have to say about various issues. Your social skills allow you to make friends easily, and the support system around you makes your life easier. Social intelligence is a human ability that allows us to understand the thoughts and feelings of others. Number 2. Everyone around you is happy. When someone sees an attractive person, their brain attacks them with dopamine, similar to how you feel when you look at a good picture. It's normal to look at strangers who seem attractive to you. If you see that you get a friendly smile from the many people on the street, often they are attractive to you. We subconsciously tend to laugh at aesthetically pleasing things or people. Giving a quick smile can be a way to evoke romantic feelings. But for the most part, it's just a natural reaction to something pleasing to the eye. Another sign that you are more attractive than you think is that everyone laughs at your jokes. Now, you could be the next Larry David, but maybe you'll be flattering jokes. If you see others laughing at your jokes more often than you have ever noticed, you will most likely be fascinated. Women are generally attracted to a good sense of humor and love when you smile. Don't be afraid to laugh and laugh with people. Number 3. You smile a lot. Laughter is contagious. When you smile, you immediately allow those around you to feel comfortable, and they will want to spend time with you because they know you are the most attractive person in the room. People are attracted to people who make them feel good, and you can do it with a smile. Smile is not just a facial expression. It is a state of mind. When you smile, you feel good about yourself and therefore become more attractive. This is something everyone should get used to. A smile shows that you are caring, warm, and down-to-earth people. Who is not attracted to it? Number 4, you're humble. Humble people are always very attractive. They have a deep sense of self-worth, so they do not try to put air and kindness into others, thinking they are superior. They all respect who they are and are not afraid to admit they are wrong or better than them. If you know how to be humble, people will like it and will want to spend time with you because they know you are a good person. Number 5, you have natural beauty. If you have natural beauty, you will be able to make the people around you feel comfortable and more attracted to you because they know you are trustworthy and beautiful. Because you are comfortable on your own skin, you will not have to hide behind makeup layers because you will be more attractive instantly. You will feel confident and empowered knowing that no one else can compete with the natural beauty inherent in you. Do not overdo it with makeup. Makeup can be incredibly fun, and it is also important not to overdo it with makeup. Your minimal approach to beauty makes you more attractive and, accordingly, more attractive. Number 6, you're confident. Trust is something that everyone wants, but few know how to use it to their advantage. If you have confidence, others will naturally be attracted to you because they know that they can trust you with their secrets and have secure conversations. After all, your faith will never waver. Confidence is a critical factor in the success of every aspect of life, be it business or personal relationships. The more confident one is in oneself and what one can achieve, the better the chances for them to succeed. Knowing that you can stand your ground and deal with anything that comes your way makes you more attractive as a person. Number 7, your friends love to hang out with you. Another storyline that shows that you are more attractive than you think is having a bunch of friends hanging out with you. You can often be an interesting person. People want to be around such a person, so they are naturally attracted to them to be close or friendly with the person who has this quality. You can save yourself by ignoring what others think, which means getting closer and enjoying their company. Your kind, fun-loving nature is contagious, and they are eager to rub it on them. Number 8. People around you can act differently. Are the people around you more upset or anxious? Do you see them acting differently than everyone else around you and seem restless or confused when you approach them? Attractive people are usually very intimidating, and it is almost impossible to avoid getting upset when you are surrounded by someone you like or think you are attractive. If you find that others around you are constantly behaving strangely, one reason for this may be that they see you as attractive and do not know what to say or how to talk to you. Number 9. Strangers are watching you. Anyone would feel self-aware if they knew strangers were looking at them in public. But if that happens to you often, you may be more attractive than you think. When someone we like walks into a room, we usually can't avoid our gaze from them. Their presence requires attention, and someone who can easily turn their head should be attractive. If you're all looking at you, it could be just you. Number 10. People ask you a lot of questions. Why do you ask someone questions? The answer is simple: you need to get to know the person better. Why does this beautiful woman, who has more than 7 billion people worldwide, ask you so many questions? Another subtle sign that you are attractive is that women want to know you better. She takes the first step. She is curious about you and tries to understand you. Subconsciously, she also tries to make you like her more. A 2017 study in the journal Personality and Social Psychology found that people who asked more questions, especially follow-up questions, preferred their conversational partners. When people are instructed to ask more questions, they are considered superior in responding. This interpersonal construction embraces listening, understanding, validation, and care. So the next time a woman asks you a lot of questions, don't be angry. Take it as a compliment and talk to her. She treats you attractive. Number 11. How you dress. Next sign that you are more attractive than you think is that you are proud of how you dress, and that you are proactive about how you dress beautifully. The truth is, a lot of men, I often see this as a coach, a lot of men think they are not attractive. They just think they're ugly. When you do not know how to dress properly in reality, right? Seriously, I see this every day. If you do not dress the right way, you will feel ugly. It's just science, just how it works. But instead, if you dress very sharply, and you will feel super attractive. It is insanely powerful. So if you are someone who does not feel super attractive, then you will want to look into this. And if you are proud of how you dress and are active in making sure that you look very pretty, then you are much more attractive than you think. Because the truth is, it tells a person something about who you are, and honestly, you look very warm. Number 12. Your health. This sign means that you are active in your health. As human beings, God created us only to be attracted to health. Now, that doesn't mean you have to be perfect, because honestly, she's not perfect. But if you're trying to be active about your health, you're trying to eat healthier, you're trying to drink more water than soda pops, and you're trying to get proper exercise, that's very attractive. Because the truth is that if she wants to spend the rest of her life well with you, she needs to make sure you are around. Health makes our body attractive, it does. So if you are active in your health, no matter what stage of your journey you are, it is very hot. Number 13. You're not afraid of being vulnerable. Risk is a sign of strength. It is often considered a weakness, but in reality, it means that you are open to new experiences and learning from them. You cannot be strong if you do not want to experience pain or discomfort. These things come with growth and change, so never be afraid of risk, but embrace it instead. People who are at risk may be themselves because they do not want to put up a false front. Insecurity is an essential part of humanity, and we must embrace our inner selves without fear or shame. Number 14. You're not afraid to express your opinions. People will naturally be attracted to you because they know you are a trustworthy and good communicator. People are drawn to people who seem to have their lives together. So make sure your trust is evident in every interaction you have with others. It is essential not only for how others feel, but also for helping to build relationships based on trust and respect. You are not afraid to express your opinion, and you are always ready to listen to what others have to say. You are not afraid to talk about issues that you feel strongly about. And it is easy for you to talk to anyone because people are eager to hear from someone who wants to express their views without fear of being judged or rejected. Number 15. You're charismatic. People will naturally be attracted to you because they know you are a trustworthy and good communicator. You can make people feel comfortable, so you have to use your charm to believe what is being said. There are many ways to do this. Use eye contact, speak with authority or confidence. Smile often and show warmth when appropriate. All of this helps to build cooperation quickly. You are not afraid to express your opinion, and you are always ready to listen to what others have to say. You are not afraid to talk about issues that you feel strongly, and you are able to have a meaningful conversation with anyone. Number 16. You're not judgmental. Those who judge are troubled. It's hard not to get angry because they always have to humiliate someone else. If you do not judge, it means that you will be able to accept who they are, and you will not try to change them into something they are not. Non-judgment is one of the essential qualities in a person. It gives us all the opportunities to grow and self-improve. No one wants to hang out with Judge Judy all the time, and if you have an open mind and are comfortable, it will naturally make you more attractive. It is not always possible to avoid someone who has a troubled personality or who is constantly judging others. But being able to smile at yourself can be a way to alleviate the situation.